Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1 and it's Labor Day. I hope you have a great Labor Day. I hope you actually labor around your place and get something done profitable if you're off of work. We're down here feeding the chickens. The chickens were up there. We moved them down here to give them some more green grass, more bugs. And the reason is feed prices are just going sky high. And we got to do something to supplement it to get by. So, this we're feeding them is black soldier fly larvae. I'll put a link in there. This company sent this to me absolutely free. I didn't pay for it. They're awesome. I like these, but for the homesteader with 50 chickens, this is not the way to go because they're expensive. If you got 5 chickens in your backyard and they're more like pets, then yes, this is affordable, but they are expensive. They are high in protein. I recommend to you to raise these things and give them to your chickens. But we're moved them down here, but we had a problem. We have to make the fencing a little bit better because the fencing on that side and that side is field fence, so they can go through them. This fencing right here is taller, better squares. Do not waste your money on field fence if you're going to go with chickens or small livestock. Please don't make the same mistake I did. So this is what we had to do. Come with me. You're coming? Yeah. This is greenhouse shade cloth. It's 12 foot wide. We had to cut it exactly in half. We had to wire it and put it up on this fence. So it makes a grate. We did this side and we did this side. So it really makes a high enough so the chickens can't fly over. Now we also have a lot of this extra, and we can use metal poles, and we can then take areas of the yard, and we will do that just to cut back on this feed bill. And we'll put this up, sort of like the electrical white poultry netting you see. That is short. My chickens can fly over it. Whoa. This they can't. So I hope you have a great Labor Day. Thank you very much. I'll put a link to these guys, and you can check them out if you want to. Thanks for watching.